This tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update Bitget smartphone app. So if you want to get the latest version of Bitget app, the only thing you need to do is to go ahead and update it to the latest version. By updating your app, you'll get to use the latest version of this app. And also you'll start using a more secure app. To update your app, it is quite simple. All you need to do is to go to Google Play Store and then tap on it if you're using an Android smartphone. If you're using an iPhone, then you'll need to access the App Store and then tap on App Store. From here, go ahead and search for your app. For my case, I'll search for the app like this, and then you'll see your app here. If you tap on it, now look for any update. If it is available, you will be able to see it here. Then go ahead and update it to the latest version. For my case, I'll not be able to update it because I already have the latest version of Bitget app. Once it is up to date, now you can proceed and open it. And now here you'll start using the latest version of Bitget app. So that's how you update your Bitget app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.